Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your email on Instagram, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account and I'm on the main page, and what I'm going to do first is navigate to my profile by clicking my profile icon in the bottom right. And once you're here, you're going to want to go into the top right, click the three bars, and from here, as you can see, your first option is the account center under the your account section. Now you just want to click on the account center, and this is where you'll be changing most of your data. This is regarding your profile, which goes possibly across multiple Meta network apps and services. But once you're here, you just need to swipe down, go to personal details, click on your contact info, and then you can add a new contact, add a new email address, and then just click on the old one, click delete, and then that is pretty much all you need to do. You can also add a new email address without deleting the previous one. That is completely up to you, but in essence, this is all there is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.